So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that right now the market is showing this sideways nature here. So in a choppy market condition or sideways market condition, the trading opportunities are limited. You need to be patient because most of the traders around the world lose money in a sideways market because they enter on the middle of the chart. The best way to tackle sideways market is to trade around the levels here. So you can see that already I have drawn few levels and zones. So let's discuss one by one. But before I proceed, I would like to show you the market sentiment. Okay, gold holds steady amid US-Iran uncertainty. Gold hovered above 4500 announced on Friday and was on track to finish the week. Little change as conflicting signals surrounding US-Iran peace negotiations kept investors cautious over inflation risk and the outlook for interest rates. Gold edges lower amid mixed sentiment. So at this moment, okay, the fundamentals are not very strong right now. As a result, we can see the market is also confused and we are not getting any proper trend here. As we all know, few days ago the market was in downtrend, but as we have discussed yesterday also, that right now the market seems to be sideways. Okay, and if you look at the economy calendar also, okay, today we do not have any major event, but yes, be careful, today is Friday, so market may get crazy, so please trade rationally. As we all know, Fridays can be dangerous. For example, if you see that market is not responding to the levels, market is acting crazy, it's up to you. Either you can follow the trend of the market if you're experienced, or you can just stop trading and start from next week. So be careful, today is Friday. Okay, be careful, especially during the US session or before the closing hours. Do not fry your account by gambling. Think about your family. Now let's discuss the trading opportunities. So you can see here, my dear friends, the first buying opportunity is around 448075. The dotted line that you see here, yesterday also we discussed, okay, 448075 is a support here. I feel that if market stays like this, means not much volume, आप देख सकते हो ज़्यादा volume नहीं है. So if market remains like this during the day, we can expect 448075 to act as support. If market takes support, we can look for a buy position. And the second buying opportunity is around 4450, the red line that you see here. So when market will enter 4455, be careful because 4450 is a round number, but the whole level will work as a zone. As we all know, these levels do not work precisely, they work as zones in the market. So 4455, 4450 is a also a very strong support zone for the market, because right now the range of goal is 4600 and 4450. For the market to be bullish, it needs to cross 4600, or for the market to be bearish, it needs to break 4450. Means gold needs to break the range here. Okay, so here during the day we can expect good amount of support around 4455, 4450 if market drops. As you can see that I have also drawn some arrows here, so there is a possibility of liquidity sweep. For example, okay, where market will come down to, let's say 4475. Okay, if you see the market is not taking support, do not sell immediately. There is a possibility of liquidity sweep and then market going up. Same goes with 4450 also. There is a possibility of liquidity sweep and market going up, because in the last couple of weeks we have seen that market is very badly sweeping liquidity, hunting down stop losses, and then okay, respecting the level. So here also we can expect the same. If market comes to a level, okay, wait patiently. When market will be going up after sweeping liquidity, then you can buy. So these are the two support levels where we can look for a buy position during the day: 448075 and 4450. Okay, and again I'm repeating, today is Friday. Be careful because market may get crazy. If market gets crazy, forget about levels, stop trading, or you can just follow the trend of the market. Okay, now let's talk about the upside. So if market goes up, okay, then we have 4570, the dotted line that you see here, 4570, and then the yellow box is 45854600. So these are also two levels where you can look for a sell position. Same stuff here also. Okay, there's a high chance of liquidity sweep. So during the day, if market goes up, observe the market around 4570, 457172. If market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell. हम sell कर सकते हैं. But if you see the market is going up, then also do not buy immediately. Okay, wait for the liquidity sweep. High chance market will come down. So when market will come down, we can look for a sell. Okay, we can look for a sell after the liquidity sweep. And 4600 round number psychological level, there's a high chance that market will try to break the level. But if market fails and market comes down, here also we can look for a sell. So as of now, we are looking for sell positions around the levels. We are not looking for breakout, because buying at breakout can be risky here. As I already said, market needs to cross 4600. So later on, when market will break 4600, take support, go up, then we can look for a buy. Already we have discussed in the WhatsApp group as well. Look, if you're part of our community, you must have read it. So this is the current scenario. Market is sideways, so we are looking for a buy at support, sell at resistance. That's it. And be careful in the US session. Let's wait for the market closing. As we all know, the market closing or the weekly market closing is extremely important. In case, okay, my dear friends, in case market closes below 4450, then we can expect next week market will be under pressure. But if market breaks 4600, then there's a high chance that, okay, market will try to recover in the coming week. And if market closes between these two levels, then obviously market will be dull and boring maybe next week again. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.